Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects and where we can select one that we want to edit. Say it's this one. Here in the edit menu, we have to tap on the clip that we want to delete. Let's say it's this one. After we tap on the clip, in the bottom bar, we find the delete button. And after we tap on this, then the clip is deleted. If we want to undo the deletion of this clip, we just tap on this bended arrow that points backwards, and it's going to bring it back. So you just tap on the clip and tap on delete to remove it from the video. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.